Hi everyone, I'm Eng Dong Jia, MVP in Visual Studio and Development Technologies. Today's main topic is using connected services. Today's agenda will cover connected services overview, processing language, processing image and video. Let's start with connected services overview. What is connected service? Microsoft Connected Services, formerly known as Project Alpha, are a set of APIs, SDK, and services available to developers to make their application more intelligent, engaging, and discoverable. And it expands to Microsoft involving portfolio of machine learning APIs and enable developers to easily add intelligent features such as emotion and video detection, facial speed, and vision recognition, and speech and language understanding into their application. Our vision is for more computing experience and enhanced productivity aided by a system that increasingly can see, hear, speak, understand, and even begin off to reason. For the processing language, Bing Spell Check API. The Bing Spell Check API let you perform contextual grammar and spell checking. Bing has developed a web-based spell checker that leverages machine learning and statistical machine translation to dynamically train a constantly evolving and highly contextual algorithm. The spell checker is based on a massive corpus of web searches and documents. For linguistic analysis API, the API provides access to natural language processing (NLP) tools that identify the structured text. The current release provides three types of analysis: sentence separation and tokenization, part of speech tagging, constituency parsing. For text analysis, the Text Analytic API is a cloud-based service that provides advanced natural language processing over raw text and includes three main functions: sentiment analysis, key face extraction, language detection. For the translator, Microsoft Translator Text API is a cloud-based machine translation service. With this API, you can translate text in a near real time for any app or service through the simple REST API call. The API uses the most modern neutral machine translation technology as well as offering statistical machine translation technology. Web Assembling Model API, a REST-based cloud service providing state-of-the-art tools for natural language processing. Using this API, your application can leverage the power of big data through language model trained on web-scale corpora collected by Bing in the ENUS market. The WebLM REST API supports 4 lookup operations. First, join probability of the sequence of words. Conditional probability of one word given a sequence of preceding words. List of word completion most likely to follow a given sequence of words. Word breaking of string that contain no space. Processing image and video is the last topic that we discussed. After that, we are showing you a demo for the Face API, a cloud-based service that provides the most advanced face algorithm. Face API have two main functions: face detection with attribute, face recognition. For face detection, Face API detects up to 64 human faces with high precision face location in an image, and the image can be specified found in byte or value URL. For example, where rectangle left top with height indicating the face location in the image is returned along each detected face. Optionally, face detection extracts a series of face-related attributes such as pose, gender, head pose, facial hair, and glasses. Face verification. Face API verification performed an authentication against two detected faces or authentication from one detected faces to one person process. Finding a similar face, given a target detected face and a set of candidate faces to search with, the service finds small set of faces that look more similar to the target face. Two working models, match face and match person, are supported. For the face grouping, given one set of unknown face grouping or PI automatically divides them into several groups based on similarity. Each group is a disjoint proper subset of the original unknown face set and contains similar faces. And all the faces in the same group can be considered to belong to the same person object. For the emotion API, take an image as an input and return the confidence across a set of emotion for each face in the image, as well as bounding box for the face from the face API. The emotion detected are happiness, sadness, surprise, anger, fears, contempt, disgrace, or neutral. These emotions are communicated cross-culturally and universally via the same basic facial expression where are identified by an emotion API. It interprets result from the emotion API. The emotion detected should be interpreted as the emotion with the highest score, as scores are normalized to sum or to the 1. Users may choose a set higher confidence threshold within their application depending on their needs. What is content moderator? Content moderator is the process of monitoring user-generated content on online and social media website, chat and messaging platform, enterprise environment, gaming platform, and peer communication platform. The goal is to track, flag, assess, and filter offensive unwanted content that create risk for your organization. Moderator content might include text, image, and video. For the computer vision, the cloud-based computer vision provides developer with access to advanced algorithms for processing image, returning information. By uploading an image or specifying an image UI, a Microsoft computer vision algorithm can analyze visual content different ways based on input and user choice. Let's go for a demo. This demo will teach you how to build a face detection application. Okay, let's start it. Okay, I already opened my Visual Studio that call a new application that call Face Analyzer. Okay, for the first we go for main Windows terminal. We changing the API. You changing the UI. They have a one button at the bottom that call browse button click, and after that we declare a function and write the function for the browse button. And in the solution of the right click application, you you don't forget to install the face analyzer that is the NuGet package that call Microsoft Project Face. Then after that, we adding the first private returner in face service client with your key. The key means that a face API key, and after that we adding a sync for the browse button click function, and after that we start adding a to match the system that detecting our photo function. Then after that we can try run by pressing F5. Waiting it run the output for us. You will see an interface that we just now we run. Yes, this is the then you can find the image. Then you're showing and detecting. That's all for my presentation. Here is the resources you can refer to know about machine learning. And if you have any questions, then you can tweet me through a Twitter. And after that, you can see the demo in my blog. And one more, you can review about the YouTube. Thank you.